Hello students, welcome to Cityscape tutorial part 3. So this is how far I've gotten. Couple things I wanted you to keep in mind. Hopefully you're viewing this tutorial before you get to the end of the street. Number one is that you can't go right to the vanishing point because eventually you're going to run out of room to show any type of height. Also, if the building is so small, we won't be able to draw any details in it like a door or a window. Also, as I moved further down the street, you see that the difference in the heights of the buildings gets very small. It doesn't make a lot of sense for you to have a very tall building farther down the street. Instead, I'd rather you put in a building in the background, and that's going to be much later. Notice on this side, I stopped about a centimeter away from the vanishing point. And I've got a fairly large building on the left-hand side at the very end of the street. Also, you don't always have to go in an up-down pattern. So if you see on the left-hand side, I went up in this building. This building was taller, and then this building was shorter, and then this building was shorter, and then this building was shorter as well. So I just want you to get to this point before we go on to doors and windows. Really, if your buildings aren't in perspective at this stage, then it doesn't matter how we decorate the buildings, it will never look like a real-life diagram or a real-life photograph. So let me remind you again, this is what we're going for. We've drawn all the buildings that are on the street level all the way down the street. Now you see in my model I did a very large building here, and I kind of broke my rule that I actually had quite a bit of difference in the height of these buildings. But I also made this building look almost twice or 3 times as wide because I meant it to be an art gallery. So again, no rules are really that firm except for the rules of perspective. Okay, once you get to this point, you can go on to tutorial 4. We'll see you there. Thanks. Bye.